Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of slow downloading and navigation in your Telegram application. A simple way. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications, then to the applications again. After that, you search for the Telegram application among the applications you have here, or you write in the application search engine, write Telegram and Telegram will appear to you. After that, we click on the details of battery usage, then we click on the settings. We click on automatic management and activate this option. After that, we exit and click on storage, then click on clear cache. After that, we go to the Google Play Store and write Telegram in the Telegram search engine and search for any new update for Telegram and update it. The next step, my friend, is to go to the three settings, the small legend above here, then we click on the settings. After that, we click on energy saving and we deactivate all these options that appear to you here now, as they are sometimes the reason. Now, after doing all this process, you restart your phone. It is necessary to restart your phone, and God willing, the problem will be solved for you. Canada is the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from any inquiries, any problems or suggestions. Write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.